Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. In this video I will show you a beautiful woman pant designs and also has many colorful. All my friends can benefit from this video of me. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing it Croatian business can also benefit from it. I try to share good videos for all my friends. I try to best make wonderful videos for you. For this, I need your help and support. If you like the video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel, and comments. Your comments is very hopeful. I read your comments and I feel very happy. Thank you friends, you're supporting and appreciate my videos, my work. I'm very thankful, my friends. Please share me your opinion, what you like to see. I try to make very good videos for you. I hope you're watching this video and enjoy this video. Bye. Take care.